How to change country on Instagram. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the country or region that is displayed on your Instagram profile. I'll also be showing you how to actually get it so that it will display a country or region on your profile. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So in order to have your region displayed on your Instagram profile, you're going to need to have a business account. So not just a professional or digital creator account, it needs to be a business account. And you can switch your account to a business account by first navigating to your Instagram profile, then selecting the three lines in the top right of Instagram to open up the settings. Once in the settings, scroll down and you'll see for professionals, select account type and tools. Once in there, select switch to professional account and then just select next. And then you can choose whatever best describes you and have it displayed on your profile if you want to. So I'm just going to do digital creator and then I'll select switch to professional account. Once on this screen, make sure you select business and then select next. Once on this screen, simply select business address. Then you can just type the city or town or zip code wherever you want. And when you have that selected, go ahead and select done at the bottom. So once you go back to it, you see your public business information with the region or location, select next, and then you can log into Facebook, but I'm just going to skip that. And then I'll hit the X and that'll bring me back to my profile. And you should see your new country or region shown on Instagram. Now, if you're still not seeing it, go ahead and select edit profile. And we need to go down to public business information and select contact options. You want to make sure first that there's a region right here. So this is where you would change the region. Select that so you can change it, update it to anything you want in there. But also we want to go back and select profile display and then make sure that display contact info is enabled. If that's turned off, it will not display your country or region on your profile. So select done and then go back. Now refresh your Instagram profile and you should see your new country or region on Instagram. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel.